Hi and welcome to another SAFSIMS tutorial. In some schools, students take all subjects, while in others, students can choose between optional subjects. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to assign subjects to students on the SAFSIMS platform. We begin by clicking on Classes on the list of admin options on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the class you want to edit. Now you can see the list of students in this class. Click the black button on the right that says View Subject Profile to see all the subjects the students will be taking this term. To make all students in this class take all subjects, or to unselect all subjects, click the tick box on the top left. To make a specific student take all subjects, click the tick box in front of the student's name. To make all students take one particular subject, click the tick box next to the subject name. After ensuring that your selections are correct, click Save Changes. With that, you have successfully assigned subjects to students. For more information, visit www.safsims.com.